Hey you guys, if you want to learn how to make this easy and delicious beef and broccoli, stay tuned. So I'm going to start off by thinly slicing 2 sirloin steaks here. You're going to try to get it as thin as possible. A quick tip is to pop it in the freezer for a little bit, about 15 minutes, and you can get it to slice a little bit easier. So moving on to the sauce, I have here some soy sauce, some brown sugar, some light brown sugar, some garlic, some onion powder, some ginger, some pepper, and a little teensy bit of sesame oil. So you're going to stir all that together and taste it to see, what you want to adjust in your seasonings. After you like your sauce, after you taste it, you're going to go ahead and pour it over your steak and set that to the side for a little bit while you go ahead and prep your broccoli. So I have 3 broccoli stalks here, and I'm going to go ahead and chop those up just like that. And so I'm going to go ahead and move back to the steak. I have my cast iron skillet here. As you can see, it is super hot. I put a little bit of oil in there, and I'm going to go ahead and put my steaks in there and get that going. And it doesn't take a long time because our steak is super thin and we're cooking at a high heat, so it's not going to take any time at all. I'm going to go ahead and blanch my broccoli for a couple minutes. It doesn't need any more than that because you don't want mushy broccoli. And then you're going to transfer that broccoli into the same pan as your steak in the sauce. So I want my sauce to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to create what they call a slurry, just equal parts cornstarch and water. So after I get that mixed together, you can see here that my sauce is a little bit thin. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that slurry in, and almost instantly it thickened up the sauce. Like, it's just pretty cool and amazing how that works. So at this point, your beef and broccoli is complete, you guys. That was super quick and super easy. I already had some white rice ready to go, and I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. And don't forget to add more of that delicious sauce that you created, and you are good to go, you guys. It is so delicious. I really hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think if you do. And as you can see, look here, that broccoli is not mushy. It still has some bite to it, and that's what you want. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.